Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your browser and OS are updated so the extension runs correctly. This avoids compatibility problems. Next, open your browser's official extension store and search for a trusted VPN extension. Review permissions so you know what it can access. Once you pick one, click Install and sign in or enter a license key if needed. This registers your device. After installation, make sure the extension icon appears in your toolbar so you can access settings quickly. Once the extension is installed, open its settings to configure how it connects and protects you. Set the protocol for a balance of speed and security. Use OpenVPN or WireGuard for strong encryption. Enable the kill switch and DNS leak protection so your traffic never exposes your real IP if the VPN drops. Choose a server region based on your needs. Pick fastest for speed or a specific country for content. Finally, enable AutoConnect on untrusted networks to stay protected automatically. You now connect to your chosen server and confirm the extension shows a new IP and country to verify protection. Test loading the sites or services you need and run a quick speed check. If performance is poor, switch to a closer or less congested server. Make sure split tunneling rules allow desired apps through the VPN. If something goes wrong, clear browser cache, switch the protocol, disable conflicting extensions, and if persistent, contact the VPN support. They can check logs and guide you further.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.